Welcome and Namaste. Dear friends, in today's video we will visit Fairmount Kenya Safari Club Resort, which is a luxurious resort near Equator Point at Nanyuki, Kenya. Usually most of the visitors to Kenya like to visit Equator Point, and this resort is just 15 minutes drive from the Equator Point. It takes about 3.5 hours to reach to Equator Point from Nairobi by road. I have visited this place several times along with my guests from India, Canada and America. Here you will meet my friend Poonam and Mahesh from Canada, Sushrut, Sonal and Shardul from India, Rema and Suta from India. At the Equator Point, you get to see demonstration of Coriolis phenomenon, where you see objects deflecting to the right side in northern hemisphere and to the left side in southern hemisphere due to the Earth's motion. All tourists love to take certificate of visiting this equator. Post this graduation ceremony, we have spent couple of days at Fairmount Kenya Safari Club Resort. This is the entry gate and you can see logos of Fairmount Safari Club Kenya. This resort is spread across 100 acres of land and you will see beautiful gardens and magnificent views of majestic Mount Kenya. This place offers unique blend of comfort, relaxation and lots of fun. There are many activities you can indulge into. Here you can see people doing horse riding. Now this is a spot from where you can see through telescope icy tip of Mount Kenya. This point is at 0 degree latitude and 37.7 degree longitude and 7,000 feet high. There are lots of birds. Here is pelican. You will get to see ducks, sometimes cranes and peacocks. Children enjoy feeding them. Due to lots of greenery and high altitude, you experience a very pleasant cold weather. This is beautiful swimming pool from where you can see Mount Kenya cliff. These are buildings where hotel rooms and restaurants are situated. Next to this, there is a 9-hole golf course. So if you are interested in playing golf, you can play. This is an interesting place where we are now. This is called maze, which is Bhool Bhulaiya in Hindi. It is easier to enter in this maze and also to reach to the center of the maze, but it is very difficult to come out. Many a times you get lost. These are some cottages with jacuzzi and other luxurious facilities. You'll get to see different types of unique flowers, fruits and exotic trees in this area. Here in this pond you can see many people are doing fishing. If you are interested in doing fishing, you can try it out. Most of them seem to be amateur fishermen. The best part, what I like here in this place is walking trails. You forget all your worries in this place with the beautiful nature and greenery and the soothing peace. This is a small chapel here. Sometimes destination weddings take place in this place. Look at the beauty of this place. Now we are entering in the restaurant lobby. Here you can see Kenyan wines and beers. This is a Tusker beer, Tangawizi is a special flavor, and passion fruit. These are the famous drinks of Kenya. You will see many unique artifacts in the lobby. These lobbies are decorated with elephant tusks. Here are faces of different animals. You can see decoration with animal skins. This is a restaurant here. Inside the restaurant you will see unique decoration of the lunch tables. Look at this. These tables are decorated with grains and pulses. Very unique, isn't it? Outside the restaurant you can see beautiful gardens and dancing peacocks. One of the songs from Bollywood movie Vishwatma was picturized here. Sunny Deol and Divya Bharti have played a part in that. I have visited this place number of times and felt very renovated, rejuvenated, with lots of activities for children and adults. Hope you liked this place and my video too. If you liked my video, please do subscribe to my channel Around the World Desi Pardesi and click on bell icon. I will come up with the second part of video next week. Stay tuned. See you soon. Yours, Desi Pardesi.